Good day, ma'am. I am Johaira and I will be your nurse for today. So, may I know your name, ma'am? Okay, so today, ma'am, I'm gonna assess your abdomen to assess if there are any pain and deformities and also disease. And para ma-check din po natin yung bowel sounds niya if within normal. Okay, so first, I'm gonna inspect your abdomen for size, shape, and contour. Okay, so ma'am, kindly itaas niyo po yung head niyo. So now, ma'am, I'm gonna auscultate your abdomen using my stethoscope. I'm gonna hear for the vowel sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna start now. Okay, so that's for the vowel sounds. Ngayon naman, ma'am, is I'm gonna percuss your abdomen. So, ma'am, wala po tayong nafe-feel na masakit. Okay. So now, I'm gonna palpate it using the light palpation and deep palpation. So, sabihin niyo lang po if may masakit kayong nafe-feel. Masakit po ba ito, ma'am? Light palpation now, deep palpation. Wala pong masakit, ma'am, kahit sa deep palpation? So, check ko din po yung sa kidney part nyo. Okay, so all in all, wala naman po kayong na-feel na masakit. And the bowel sounds is also normal. And the size and shape of your abdomen is also normal. And wala kang nakitang any abnormalities. Thank you for your cooperation, ma'am.